Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Crystal Tomlinson has added author to her growing repertoire. The media personality and leader of the PNP-YO this week premiered her debut book titled Kill Fear, The Art of Courageous Living, which was uniquely launched at a homegoing ceremony for the life of the late Fear. The program, similar to that of a funeral ceremony, featured tributes from sponsors, remembrance for the departed Fear, selected by her alma mater UWI's Taylor Hall, and readings from the book by her friends, media personality Debbie Bissoon and best friend Kamisha Kelly.
You are the person best equipped to maneuver the maze and find the flaws. The only question is, will you do it? Or will fear of the effort and commitment cripple you into inaction? Chapter 2, friend or foe. Please free to insert your hallelujahs at the end if you feel so led to do so. One of the great tragedies of human potential is that we spend hours planning and working for the success of everyone around us and not for our own dreams.
Crystal, who gave the eulogy, opened up on some of her deepest fears, which included speaking of her father, who died of AIDS when she was just a child.
He died when I was 14, and I realized that no, I officially only had one parent. And he died from HIV. Now at 14, I did not know how to process that. And at 14, my body's telling me that that's the direction I should be going in anyways. So it's safe and it's time to take some risks and your mother don't know what you're talking about. And then your dad dies from HIV. And I was traumatized at the university.
Crystal, who had attendees reciting her warrior prayer, spoke to us after about what prompted her to write her first book.
And I said, I have so many things to say and write, and I guess I'm not doing it because I don't think I'm Nobel laureate worthy. The inspiration flowed, and even while I was writing, I'm being called to kill fear. And every experience I could remember from childhood until now has been testament to the fact that we can take the action that we need to take and do the thing that we need to do and conquer the fear and experience victory.
Kill Fear, which for many is an extension of her Good Guess online inspirational blogs, will soon be available both in stores and on Amazon. Good job, Crystal. Reggae singer Jay Prince is creating musical waves overseas as he recently returned from Canada, where he performed at several scheduled events. The trip also saw him enlisting a team of international filmmakers to shoot the visuals for his upcoming single titled Ready. In his latest single dubbed Faker to a Friend, Jay Prince says no to fake friends and warns about the perils of friends with ill intent. His upcoming single Ready is slated for release in the weeks ahead. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.